welcome back to my channel. I'm putting on my window so these people next to me don't make fun of me for vlogging. But today I'm doing a what I eat in a day. I am gluten and dairy free, as well as I try to watch my sugar content, a bunch of other things that I'm intolerant to that I don't eat because I have Hashimoto's disease. And say hi, Mom. Hi. And I'm going to be showing you guys how you can stay healthy and even while you're ordering out. In this video you're going to see me go out for lunch, how I order my lunch still healthy even when I'm out, my Starbucks order that's a little healthier, and everything like that. So without further ado, let's just get straight on into the video. Good morning, everyone. So it is currently 11 a.m. We had to get up to return a tent that we just bought because there was something wrong with it, like the poles and whatever. So we have not eaten breakfast yet because we were taking care of that. But today I am filming my what I eat in a day. So I just thought I'd show you this. We usually don't do this, but I stopped at Starbucks and got an iced chai tea latte with coconut milk and half sweet. So even at Starbucks you can order things that are a bit healthier. I don't do dairy and I don't like a lot of sugar, so that's what I got, and I will show you guys what I'm eating for the rest of the day soon. I'm all ready for the day now. It is currently 11:34, and because I'm going out for lunch, I know I'm eating out lunch soon, because I didn't get to have breakfast earlier because we were dealing with the tent thing. So right now, just to hold me over, I'm just gonna have some watermelon. My mom just cut me up some watermelon. I love watermelon. It's also super good when you put lime juice on it. Try it, you'll thank me later. It tastes like a Sour Patch Kid. So yeah, this is all I'm gonna eat for breakfast, and I will show you what I'm eating lunch in about an hour or so. Okay, so we're at Burrito Boys and I got a naked chicken burrito. So it's pretty much just a burrito bowl so that you don't have to eat the wrap, because no gluten. And I got it with chicken, guacamole, lettuce, tomato, green peppers, green onions, salsa, and extra cilantro. So you can still eat healthy even when you're out, just make better options. A lot of places have better options for you now anyways, with vegan, gluten-free, everything like that. So even if you're going out, just choose the healthier option. It's really not that hard. It's 4 p.m. and I kind of have a little bit of a sweet tooth. I was just cleaning up a ton inside my house, in my room, outside, all that kind of stuff. So I have a little bit of a sweet tooth right now. So I'm going to have probably half a bag of Smart Sweets. These ones are the peach rings. I literally love Smart Sweets. They're only 3 grams of sugar. They are plant-based, high in fiber, free from sugar, alcohols, free from artificial colors, naturally flavored, and peanut and tree nut free, which is good because I'm allergic to almonds. But yes, I love these. They're good. If you are trying to, sorry, this car is in the background, but if you are trying to watch your calories or just putting better food in your body, honestly, but you still want candy sometimes. I'm the same way. I have Hashimoto's disease, so I have to stay away from sugar and junk food and all that kind of stuff. I love these. You definitely should too. The entire bag is 80 calories, and they say a whole bag is a serving, but I just have half the bag at a time. It lasts longer that way anyways, so I'm going to have this while I sit outside, plan in my planner the next videos I'm filming for the next week. I'm going to do a bit of reading. This is the Snow Falling book from Jade and the Virgin, if you guys have seen that show. I am reading the book now because my mom and I just finished the last season, so I was really sad that it finished, but I got the book so I can read it that the character wrote. And now I want to talk to you guys about water. Yes, I know. Sorry, I'm filming on my phone, that's why it's a bit shaky. Water. This is a great water bottle. It's a thermo flask. I got a pack of 2 of these at Costco for $26, and they're just as good as Hydro Flasks. It has a little handle on it too. So I gave the other one to my brother, but I have this one. It holds 1.3 liters, I think. So I try to drink, oh my god, cars are so loud. I try to drink at least 2 of these a day. 1.5 to 2 of these a day is the goal. So yeah, I'm just gonna drink my water, eat my candy, and plan the next few videos. And then soon it's going to be prep for dinner time, and I will bring you guys alongside what I'm eating for dinner as well. So for dinner, I'm just having a huge salad. It has avocado, spinach, romaine lettuce, goat feta cheese, cucumbers, zucchinis, peppers, onions, cilantro, parsley, all of that kind of stuff. A bunch of stuff in here, and I'm going to literally devour this, and then I might have a potato with it, and that is my dinner for tonight. I wolfed this salad down so fast. Oh my god. Like, my mom makes the best salad. She's eating one too. So we literally just take like these huge bowls. Sorry, the lighting's really bad because I'm in my window. But we take these huge bowls and we just have like a huge salad like almost every night for dinner. And then she's heating up some vegan bean soup for us to have. I know I told them what was in there already. There was like literally every healthy vegetable you could think of is literally in here. And I also added sunflower seeds in here as well. So yes. So now that my dinner has digested and I feel full and good and ready. Wow, that truck is super loud. Anyways, I'm gonna go on a little run around my neighborhood. I usually run in the mornings, but obviously tense situation this morning, so I'm going to go on my daily run right now. So let's go. Dessert. My mom and I quickly just ran to the store and decided to get these guys. There are 3 in here, so one for me, one for mom, one for my brother. And they're the sea salt caramel and chocolate organic coconut bliss 100% plant-based dairy-free frozen dessert. So we're gonna have one of these each for desserts. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked this what I eat in a day and how to stay healthier while ordering out. Wow, the sun is really against my filming right now. Comment down below what kind of videos you want to see from me if you like these kind of videos. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.